The DIY Murphy bed will require a set of handles to be attached to the face of the bed. The handles will allow you to comfortably open and close the bed. It is recommended that you shim the bottom of the bed frame to stop the bed frame from accidentally falling forward. There are many types of handles available at your local hardware store such as Home Depot or Lowe's. It is a good idea to choose handles that are made from a heavier gauge material and have a good solid base. Choose a set of handles that best matches your decor and personal preference. You may use the measuring tape and measure the base of the handles to determine the mounting dimensions for your specific set of handles. Although we recommend the handles to be mounted 18 to 20 inches from the top of the bed frame, you can customize this measurement to allow you to comfortably open and close the bed. If you are building your bed out of particle board, the face panels will be half-inch thick material, and in this case you may want to mount the handles over one of the frame struts. This will keep the handle mounting hardware from possibly ripping through the face panels. Set your measurement for the bed handles from the top of the bed frame. Measure and mark the mounting dimensions for the handles on the face panels part I. Feel free to customize the distance between the handles. Also note that the handles can be mounted vertically or horizontally. Double check to make sure you have the proper dimensions for the handles before you start drilling. Remember, measure twice, drill once. Using an appropriate drill bit, drill through the face panels and the center of the pencil marks. It is a good idea to use metal washers with the mounting hardware that came with the handles. If you are building a vertical style Murphy bed, you may need a helper to help you install the bed handles. You have now installed the bed handles on a bed frame. Note the bed handles can also be attached after the mattress supports are installed on the bed frame. If you do this, just make sure you position the handles over one of the frame struts, between the mattress supports and the face panels. Why not download your free copy of our step-by-step Murphy bed construction guide by clicking on the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these.